What's the matter? When we go to the doctor will ask, what's the matter? Then how do we give the answers? Let's practice. This is a substitution chart. Look at the chart, then you can make sentences as much as you want. My stomach hurts since last night. My foot hurts since last summer. My head hurts since last week. My neck hurts since yesterday. My hand hurts since yesterday morning. My chest hurts since yesterday afternoon. My tooth hurts since last month. My leg hurts since last winter. My back hurts since last 2 years. Okay, let's check the sentences. One, my stomach hurts since last night. My stomach hurts since last night. 2, my foot hurts since last summer. My foot hurts since last summer. 3, my head hurts since last week. My head hurts since last week. 4, my neck hurts since yesterday. My neck hurts since yesterday. 5, my hand hurts since yesterday morning. My hand hurts since yesterday morning. 6, my chest hurts since yesterday afternoon. My chest hurts since yesterday afternoon. 7, my tooth hurts since last month. My tooth hurts since last month. Eight, my leg hurts since last winter. My leg hurts since last winter. Nine, my back hurts since last 2 years. My back hurts since last 2 years. Now, let's try to make sentences looking at our second substitution chart. My knee hurts since last week. My arm hurts since this morning. My eye hurts since last night. My ear hurts since yesterday. My throat hurts since yesterday morning. My ankle hurts since last month. My left wrist hurts since last year. My right shoulder hurts since last month. These are the sentences I make for you looking at that substitution chart. Let's practice. 10. My knee hurts since last week. My knee hurts since last week. 11. My arm hurts since this morning. My arm hurts since this morning. 12. My eye hurts since last night. My eye hurts since last night. 13. My ear hurts since yesterday. My ear hurts since yesterday. 14. My throat hurts since yesterday morning. My throat hurts since yesterday morning. 15. 15. My ankle hurts since last month. My ankle hurts since last month. "16. My left wrist." Remember, W is silent. R-I-S-T, wrist. Like this you need to say the word. W is silent. Wrist. Hurts since last year. My left wrist hurts since last year. "17. My right shoulder hurts since last month. My right shoulder hurts since last month. Practice everyone. Good job.